Emmanuel Ali Selassie Ija, Rastafari. Once again, more messages. Yes, one. This one, it is a very, very humble appeal to the government system. I am kindly and humbly appealing to the government system that please don't arrest Bosmic Otim because of what he has said. Bosmic Otim has overacted. I know that he has overacted, but all this is because he was crying for his dead brother. So forgive him. If you want to arrest him because of the words he has said, because of the song he has been singing to incite people, let him stop inciting people. But please do not arrest Bosmic Otim because he has also done a lot of things for the government. He has sung a song praising His Excellency. The vehicle that Otim Bosmic is using has been given by the government. The other day also the government gave him money. So please forgive him where he has gone wrong. Bosmic Otim must be free. Do not ever arrest him. Forgive him. This is my strong and humble appeal to our government. Do not arrest Bosmic. He has overacted. Otim Mobile, Otim Otim Kija. Forgive him. It's my strong appeal to the government. Do not arrest him. Please, thank you. Be blessed. For God and my country.